to Daily Spoken English Stories.
Yeah, we're going on fun adventures!
And learning to speak English every day.
Let's go!
Children, come here. I want talk today.
Mom, why people fight wars in world?
Yes, Mom, news looks scary and confusing.
Sometimes leaders disagree and choose wrong paths.
But fighting hurts many innocent families everywhere.
Children like us feel scared and worried.
Yes, war brings pain to many homes.
Mom, do soldiers also feel afraid sometimes?
Yes, son, soldiers are humans with families.
Do they miss their children every day?
Of course, dear, they miss hugs and laughter.
War sounds very sad and lonely.
That is why peace is very important.
Mom, what can normal people do?
We can choose kindness instead of anger.
Can kindness really change big problems?
Yes, every big change starts small.
Like sharing toys instead of fighting?
Exactly, small peace teaches big peace.
My friend argued with me yesterday.
Did you fight or solve problem?
I said sorry and we became friends.
That is how peace always begins.
Peace begins with small, brave decisions.
Mom, news shows cities getting destroyed.
War damages homes, schools, and hospitals.
That makes many families lose everything.
Where do children go after war?
Many families move searching safe new homes.
That must feel very sad and scary.
Yes, dear. Losing home hurts deeply.
Mom, why cannot leaders talk peacefully?
Sometimes pride blocks peaceful conversations, sadly.
Pride can destroy many beautiful things.
True, pride can destroy nations too.
Then wisdom is better than anger.
Wise people always try understanding first.
Listening carefully can solve many problems. Like when sister listens to me. Yes, listening helps hearts understand better.
Communication builds bridges between angry hearts.
Bridges are stronger than walls always.
Walls separate people and create distance.
Bridges connect people and build friendships.
The world needs more bridges today.
The world needs more kindness today.
And more patience during difficult times.
And more courage to choose peace.
Mom, can peace spread everywhere someday?
Yes, if hearts choose love daily.
Love is stronger than bombs and weapons.
Love heals wounds war cannot heal.
That is a powerful truth, children.
I want a peaceful world for everyone.
Me too, peaceful world sounds beautiful.
Then start spreading kindness every day.
I will help friends instead fighting.
I will share toys with
Small acts create big waves eventually.
Like stones making circles in water.
Peace can spread like those circles.
Exactly, peace grows from simple actions.
Mom, hope is still alive, right?
Yes, son. Hope never truly disappears.
Hope is light during dark times.
And love is strongest human power.
Then we should protect peace always.
We should protect kindness always too.
The future belongs to peaceful hearts.
I will remember this lesson forever.
Me too, Mom. Peace starts today.
Yes, children, peace begins inside hearts.
Our family will choose peace daily.
Our world needs more peaceful families. Hey everyone! Don't forget to subscribe!
Yeah, and hit the bell for more fun.
Subscribe now!